What's up, guys? I just got done mowing the lawn. We're about to go buy some flowers and we're gonna redo this front area here. Get it all looking nice. I gotta trim my bush, but yeah, so we're gonna do that today and then maybe ride bikes at the end of it. So yeah, let's go. Let's get some flowers. All right, guys, we're about to go in here and buy some flowers. These are on sale here. All these are like $2 each for a 6-pack. Those are cool.
Yeah.
Let's check outside real quick. They have more out front. Okay. Why are the flowers so expensive? These are 4 for $10.
Yeah. We like this one. For what?
Four little ones for $10.
Okay.
It's not going to take up a lot of space. You got to think, this is so tiny. It's going to look like a little flower around all this mulch.
It will grow.
Okay. Think.
Will this be alive forever?
Annuals, they should come back.
Four of these?
Yeah, 4 of those for $10. So we could get 8 of them to do the front to the right.
Yeah. Yeah, the front.
Yeah, the front of the porch.
Yeah.
We could get different ones like these. These are annuals, so they'll come back. Look. See, these are nice. Yeah, those two, because they're about the same size.
Yeah, they're the same color. So I'm gonna put this back.
Alright, guys, we're trying to find. We just found 2 shrubs for the little front area. We need a bunch of these, but they're $25 a piece. But I need them to match the other side. Well, what about this?
So are we going
for
to
the
buy?
corner?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. There were 2 of these, no?
No.
Yeah, there were 2 of these and then somebody bought it.
Alright, get it.
Maybe in here.
That for now. 3 down, like 100 more to go. What, 3 of these? You know where you want them at?
Mm. Yeah. This one's expensive, so.
Yeah, I mean, it'll get that size. So. Here, I got it. This one looks healthy. Ow! It bit me. Now let's get some flowers. Yeah, the only problem with these, they don't grow back every year.
Huh?
They're not annuals. They don't grow back. All right, we got a cart full of flowers and shrubs and trees. We're going to load up the car, bring it back to the house, start planting. All right, guys, we fit all the plants, flowers, tree into the car. Not sure how she's gonna fit in there, but we're gonna make it work. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Hey, don't break our plant. Good? All right. go home. Oh, I'm so thirsty. Oh yeah. Now we gotta get some tools. All right, we got some tools.
I like it.
Yeah, it's real good. Mango lemonade, truly, it's amazing. All right, we got the edge lining down. Now we're gonna put the weed block and place our flowers. All right, guys, we just got the weed block set down. Now it's time to put the mulch down. Fun stuff. Actually, we got to plant these, then the mulch. All right, guys, we just finished up. Just need to clean up a little bit, but this is the end result. It's a long day, but I forgot how much fun planting flowers were. I hate it.
Should I put this there?
Yeah, put it wherever you want. We'll get better decorations soon. All right, guys, again, if you need professional, expert help with your lawn and garden, do not call Duck and Monkey. But I think we did a pretty good job. I think we're gonna order some pizza. She never had Papa John's, so we're gonna make a first Papa John's video next. Love you guys, be safe.